So to get into Kanazawa, you take the free shuttle bus. It takes just over 10 minutes to get from the ship into town, 10 to 15. And this is the station. This is where you stop. This is the main station for town. Come off here and you're right in the city and ready to see things. And so when you come out of the mall area beside the train station, this is where it is. So if you want to explore the prefecture a bit more, go further afield, you can get the train from right here. It's a pretty cool building, quite epic, with a sort of traditional style meets modern sculpture at the door. And right outside the station, there's a fountain that tells the time. It's so cool. So if you keep on walking straight down from where the shuttle bus is, you can take the air-conditioned underpass and you come out here in the Onchi market. And this is a great place for local food. So we're going to go and check out all the local dishes. Seafood is a specialty. As you walk around the market, it is full of smells. It smells amazing. This is where local people will come and get their produce. It's the general market. There's loads of fruit, loads of vegetables, flowers, loads and loads of fresh seafood. And most of the stalls are set up like a fishmongers for people to buy and take home and prepare, but each of the stalls also has a couple of dishes that you can buy and snack on right here. There's things including sea urchin, there's little sushi plates, oysters, eel, mackerel, so many things. If you like fish, come here and eat. We're now at the Higashi Chaya area, and this is the area with all the geisha houses. So this place was traditionally where all the geisha lived and worked, and this was all the traditional houses that were built for them, and they're preserved exactly as they were 150 years ago. As you're walking down the street, keep an eye on the left hand side. There's a place that says information, and come inside. This is an actual geisha house. You can come inside. There's a lovely little garden at the back, and there's various tatami rooms, and this is the inside of the house. It's lovely. There's information for free about it, history information on the walls, and leaflets, restrooms. In the centre of the house, you come in here, you can take your shoes off and go inside and see it all. This would have been the kitchen area, which is right in the centre, and this would also provide heating for the house in the winter. This is where everything would be cooked. And then you can go further in on the tatami mats and see inside in the living bedroom areas. So this is the Higashi Chaya Tea District. You walk in here, and these are the beautiful geisha houses, the traditional houses. The whole area is very, very pretty, and this is where all the traditional tea ceremonies were held. If you want to try the gold leaf ice cream and see lots of nice gold leaf products, Hagoichi shop, this is what it looks like. This is the place to go. They've got all the gold leaf products, a little museum area upstairs, and you can try the ice cream. You can get gold leaf beautiful boxes, as you see. There are glasses, pens, paintings, sculptures, and even ice cream. They put the actual gold leaf on the ice cream. Wow. Okay. And here is the gold leaf ice cream, and we're going to eat it. Also, if you're really into gold leaf, you can even have it in a curry. This is Cafe Maruju in the area, and they do gold leaf curries. Also, as you're looking around, if you're a fan of sake, look out for the Fukumitsuya Sake Brewery. You can go in, they do tasting sets for 1,500 yen, and you can learn how sake is made. Also, as you're walking around, keep an eye out for signs like this with information. There's little information leaflets all over the place telling you the stories and the histories of some of the important buildings. This one here was the former Kamaya main building and the storehouse, and so this was used as offices for government, with local procedures, and also it was used as a tea house. So here is Kanazawa Castle. Kanazawa itself, the word Kana means gold, because they're famous for their gold leaf, and Zawa means mountain river. Next we're going in to visit Kenroku-en garden. You get your ticket here as you walk in. It's 310 yen per person, nice and easy. As you walk around, look out for this beautiful statue. This is a statue of Prince Yamato Takeru, and he was a mythical local hero. And the statue they put up in 1880 is put up to commemorate the Ishikawa warriors who died in the Satsuma Rebellion in 1880. And inside the park, you've got the Ishikawa Prefectural Arts and Crafts Museum. It's right here. It's very pretty. It showcases local crafts, obviously, and arts of the area, and it's just 260 yen to go in. As you're walking around, look out for the plum grove. This is August. We're filming this in, so everything's green now and not flowering. But if you're here in March or April during cherry blossom season, this whole area will be absolutely beautiful. Now just near the exit of the gardens and between leaving the gardens and the 21st Century Art Museum, this is Ishiura Shrine. It's lovely. Come in here and we've got the main shrine here. You can prepare for it. Obviously with the water going in, we've got the guards, animals, and then the shrine is here. And there's also a full alleyway with where people have left their wishes, their prayers, and their intents for people. This is the 21st Century Art Museum. You can see it's a very modern building. There's interesting exhibits even outside with colours, an area you can climb. It's very interactive. We're now in Kikoman Gokudori, which is kind of the main street for shopping. There's fancy stores like Gucci over here. Very busy. There's also lots of like little bakeries and restaurants and lots of different stores. So this is kind of the main downtown area. While you're in the area, look out for Pan Brothers, Bread Brothers, and this terrifying dolly in the window. Now we're in Nagamachi area of the city. This is where the samurai used to live. So the samurai were the king's guards. They were the very important, the elite of the army. And this was a section of the town they lived in. The whole area here, all the houses are the traditional houses, exactly kept as they would have lived in them in the Edo period. This is the Kanazawa Shinesei Memorial Hall. This is a museum all about, it's an old pharmacy house, old medicines, ways things were done that are here. There's the marriage ceremony traditions, exhibitions on as well, and the main memorial hall, and information about the feudal period as well. It's just 100 yen to go in, and it's open from 9:30 until 5. And this is Nomuro Samurai House. This is a real traditional samurai house. You can go in and experience it, see exactly what it's like. It's 550 yen to visit, and it's right here as you're walking through the area. Another place to look out for is this. This is just called Rest House. It's a tourist information area. You can go in, get information about the area. It's very air conditioned, which is lovely. There's little seats to rest in, there's bathrooms, Wi-Fi, and helpful locals to give you information. This is the house from the Takada family. And this is free to visit as you walk around, take a look out for it. And this is where members of the Kaga clan live. We stopped in a little tiny fishmongers in the samurai area. They had lots of pre-prepared sushi and sashimi, and we're very happy to learn they had katsuo, which is a bonita fish, like we tried in Kochi. So this was 380 yen, about $4, and it is amazing.